Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of National. Which is Oluwakorewa. Well, on National today, God is showing us mercy. Let's go straight. But before we go, in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And for finding this video, we don't know if it would last on. Please like this video for me. It will help it reach wider audience. Share it. Most importantly, the most important thing is just let me know your own take when I show you this plan finish. Let me know what's your own selection. Don't be stingy because I'm not stingy with mine. You to tell me what you see in the comment section. Let's go. Soft. Let's start with this. This one on National. Yesterday, 69 delayed our winning. It stopped us from winning the 2DIRECT on the VIP side. So let's go on this one. On National's board in the year 2013, 39 to play first ball winning lap 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 76 should play fourth ball position machine. This game here again set for the second time on National board 39 lap 84 number and counter lapping in first ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 weeks down, second time on National's board. 76 maintain position. This is the second time on National's entire board here. Now, after 76, take note of banker 22 here. Coming on this, let's go treat it again a second time. A second time I found this. This is why my video is coming very late. I found this again second time. 39 play with 84 lapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 weeks down. 10 weeks down. This one just dropped 76. 10 weeks down. After dropping 76, 10 weeks down, it dropped its own 76. But before he played 76, observe 22 in first ball winning. This one played this 76 to machine. This is lotto reverse trick. He played this 76 to winning. 22 played first ball here. Now this one is using the exact game. It dropped 76 to position and it's telling us 22 should play first ball winning. Now, not just that, it should play with 59, 22 and 59. This as well said 22 should play with 59. 76, 3 numbers is the key control. After 76, 22, 59. After 76, 22, 59. Now, let's treat that and go away on this one. Let's go and treat another plan, still showing us 22 as a banker again. Second time on National's board. The first time is this on National board at event 2809, 35 in position, last ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 85 should play second ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 89 will play fourth ball machine. 1, 2, 3. 90 to maintain last ball machine. Again on the current, second time it's walking down. 35 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 85 should maintain position. Second ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 89 again should maintain position. Fourth ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks. 90 again should maintain position. Last ball machine. After 90 maintain position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80 will maintain position. 1, 2, 3. 39 will maintain position. From 90 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80 to play center ball machine. 1, 2, 3, 39 to maintain position. After 39 maintain position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. 81 again in position. From 39 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 to play position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 81 will maintain position. After 81 maintain position here, 15 to play center ball, play with 64. After 81 in position, 15 to maintain center ball, play with 64. Now, when these games play, he said 90 in position should come to first ball, lap with 87. This as well said, after this game in position, 90 should play to position and lap 87. That's 1, 2, 3 weeks, 90, lap 87. Here as well, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 90 to lap 87. After these two games, it supplied us 22. After these two lapping, it supplied us 22. Double 2. This here is telling us today 1, 2, 3. The double 2 is released. Double 2 should bank today again. Now, on this event again, check out 59. On this event again, 22 and 59 still surfaced again, though it's showing one winning, one machine. But on this event, both numbers came up again. So aside these two numbers showing us these two games, 87 in position is supplying us 2DIRECT. 87 in position to supply us 22.25. 80 in position still supplying 25. Two numbers supplying 25 for us already. So that's why I came up with the four numbers: 1, 25, 22, 36 and 59 for national. Four numbers, and my banker still remains 22 to play with, 25 to play with, 36 and to play with 59. 22 is my free banker on board. So thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find anything I have skipped in this video, please put it in the comment section. It will not help only me, it will help all of us, both myself and the subscribers too. Tell me what you see in the comment section. Like this video for me to enable me post again. Share, and if you're new, please subscribe. I wish us good luck.